Art in Human presents. On this channel, we are reviewing Fevi Create Make Your Own Sponge Painted Fruits Kit DIY Kit by Fevicol. Motor skill development, encourage creativity, hand-eye coordination. 12 fruits. Here are the contents. Sponge painted fruit contents are pre-painted templates 12, rainbow tempera colors 18 ml 2, sponge 2, color mixing palette 1, spatula 1, instruction manual. MRP 110. And inside this we have got this Rangila colors. It is also from Pidilite and sheets printed with drawings of fruits, a manual, sponge, spatula, and a color mixing palette, and this is the outer packaging. Here we have been guided how to paint these cutouts and how we can make these colors from primary colors which are used in painting these paint. Here is watermelon, pineapple, custard apple, grapes, an apple, kiwi, mango, cherry, banana, orange, pear, strawberry, and on the back side information is given about the fruits. Spatula, color palette, and sponge. 2 sponges are given which we can cut in small pieces, and 2 pack of 2 Rangila paints. It is also from Pidilite company, come with a brush. Here is the second one. Now we are arranging our items. As we can start with it, we are making color using the palette, spatula and water. First we need a violet color which is going to be made by blue and mixing red. We are mixing it. And then we need to dip sponge in this color and tap on the painting to paint it well. these are the final drawings we have made from the kit. Orange, grapes, pear, watermelon, banana, and the last one is strawberry. If you like our video, please share, subscribe and hit the like button and press the bell icon too to get our notifications. Thank you.